this book called Five Little Chicks. Do you know how a little chick made a sound? Like this. Peep! Five little chicks. Once there were five little chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Said the first little chick, Peep, what can I eat? And with the little squirm, died a fat wiggly worm. Peep. Said the second little chick, Peep, what can I eat? And with a little shark, found a spotted crawly bug. Peep. Said the third little chick, Peep, what can I eat? And with a little sigh, saw a fuzzy butterfly. Peep. Said the fourth little chick, Peep, what can I eat? And with a little worry, spotted a plump red strawberry. Peep. Said the fifth little chick, Peep, what can we eat? And with a little pout, saw a long shiny trout. Peep. But wise Mama Hen knew just what to do. Let's run to the patch. Mama Hen made a sound. Quack, quack. And scratch. So all five chicks went scratch, 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 scratch. And picked with their mama all day in the corn patch. Until wise Mama Hen said, let's not make a peep. It's time to snuggle and cuddle and sleep. Good night, my five little sweets. Sleep, sleep. The end.